Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers, and on this day in 2015, the Legacy Collection, Pinocchio album was released as a 2-disc set on Walt Disney Records. The release marked the 75th anniversary of Pinocchio's film debut in 1940. In addition to the complete restored soundtrack, the album also contains 3 lost chord recordings, which are presented the way they would have sounded in 1940. There are also 5 bonus tracks from the Mickey Mouse Club that featured Jiminy Cricket. Have you heard this one? Did you like it? I sure did. It's one of my favorites. Anyway, have a magical day.